What's up everyone, welcome to another episode of Night Edits, and in today's episode, it's gonna be very quick. I'm gonna show you how to do the dispersion effect in Photoshop, and this is how it's gonna look like. All right, let's dive in. All right guys, I have Photoshop opened and I have a picture of my goat, Giannis Antetokounmpo, and we're gonna apply the dispersion effect on this. So I'm using basically a 1000 by 600 canvas. So once you have your image placed and everything, the filter you're gonna use actually is called liquify. So you're gonna go to filter. You're gonna make sure you click on the image. You're gonna go to filter, and then you're going to go to liquify down here. Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna kind of stretch the face. So you're gonna make sure you select the first one up here, the forward warp tool. We're gonna kind of stretch the face to the right side because we want that dispersion effect to kind of show that like it's flying, like he's disintegrating. So we're gonna use the warp tool up here. You can adjust the size here, and then go ahead and start stretching your image. Okay, once you're done with that, press OK, and then you're gonna have the image that's kind of looking weird here. The next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna click on your layer where you have done that stretch effect, and then you're gonna mask it. So you're gonna go down here to the mask, you're gonna mask it. And then you're gonna press Command I or Control I if you're on a Windows computer to invert it. So now we can't see it because the image has been inverted. All right, so the next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna go to the brush tool. And then I have a brush that's called Kyle Splatter. Use that because it's more of like a splattering disintegration type effect. Adjust the size as needed, and then what you're gonna do is you're gonna start painting. So what I'm gonna do is I want the left-hand side to kind of feel like he's there, and then gradually I'm going to start painting just a little to the right, not so much, because I kind of want that splatter effect. So like here, and then you're gonna see that wherever I stretch it out, it's gonna show here. I don't wanna do it so much because I don't wanna see that weird stretch, but I want it to be done in a way that is kind of flying towards the right. So I'm gonna just click just a little here, kind of like painting. And then make sure the left-hand side, and then maybe you could leave some of that on a little bit like that, but I don't want to paint in too much on the right-hand side because I want to show it like breezing out on the right-hand side. So that's basically how you do the disintegration effect in Photoshop. Very simple, very easy. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. Please subscribe to my channel. Like it if this helped you in any way, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.